My name is Jackie McGonigal. I work with the City of Orange Beach's Coastal Resources Department, and today we are working with Orange Beach Elementary School 2nd grade, helping increase their environmental literacy. And we're doing that by kind of bringing them behind the scenes, working with educational partners, Dune Doctors out of Pensacola and the Gulf State Park.
We are helping the beach and the dunes and the animals that live in the dunes and the environment and the grass.
It's absolutely beneficial because I can teach about it all day long in my classroom, but until they actually get here, get their hands dirty, take part in planting these plants so that when they come back in a week, in a month, in a year, they can show people what they did to help out with the environment, and that's something that's really going to stick with them.
My favorite part of today was saying good luck to the plants. Good luck. Good luck.